The best never quits. The best knows how to get back up and rise again. The best doesn't stay on the ground for too long, because the best understands that even though you're down, you must have the capabilities to get up.
We are at CPR Kupia. No checkers. Also check the price. Let's check the price. Money level 60. Is it? Yabo chonga ngofuna ngigcwalisa imali. Yeah. Yazi mkhasibe uyangikhazela. We're at value, bro. I'm getting married. Let me show you guys. I'm here to buy this thing. I'm getting married this year, bro. Hey, the boy got to go serious. Get married this year, boy. Gift what for you? Both for you. Both for you. Both for you. Whoa. That's all I mean. I hope he has more ideas than you. Mr. and Mrs. I think that's fine. It's cool. It's cool. I'll format details. At this point, I think we're just window shopping. This is a window shopping. It's a copy phone. The copy phone. Thing in a phone. But I can't wait to get rich and be one of those influencers that do giveaways. Hey guys, I have a giveaway for a Nike shoe chassis. I have a Nike shoe by Mali. But there's a giveaway, guy. There's a giveaway, guy. Oh yeah. Cool. At home, bro. It's an iPhone 15 now. Because I might come back soon. I might come back soon, bro. What is this incredible connection? Which one is that one? Ah. This was supposed to be a checkers thing. Now it has turned to 1,000 shops. We're back on campus. I think we're going to the bench. Yeah? When I was putting that long as I was student, I go to the size of Swiss. Last class of the day, bro. Last class in Los Angeles. And then I think I'm gonna go home and continue editing my vlog. And then I'm gonna import these videos that I took today with the laptop. Yeah, bro. see who that is? Did you see who that is? Oh, I'm just looking at you. Anyway, so I'm gonna import. Alright. I'm gonna import these videos to the laptop and then I'll probably start editing this week also. Because I want to drop a vlog this week and then another week while I'm working on another one and then so that, you know, like that. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah. So that's kind of the thing. And hey, buenas tardes. I'm not. Now laugh at this exchange I remove. So chat, I'm back from school. Hey, fit Bashita. Bueno, como ndehlela Joe. It's a pity I can't talk about it here, I'm fit. But as I was saying, the chat, if only I'm here, storage, so I'm gonna try and be quick. I'm eating a makwenya right now that I just bought. In the end, and I think the punga. I'm just chilling here, bro, and edit my vlog, be on my phone, you know, and prepare my schoolwork and everything. Yeah, well, and also, yeah, Joe, man, I just relax. But it's this is what it. Sub chat. Hope you guys are doing good, bro. As if band is a Palocola. That's why I'm drinking this ginger thing. As if band of Palocola, and what worries me the most is that today I have to be outside the whole day. Almost like the whole day. I'm working with Varsity Vibe. Well, Yamkela put me on the thingy. So we're working with Varsity Vibe. You know those campaigns that always happen each and every year on campus. Yeah, part of that. So I have to be outside, I have to be talking to people, I have to what. I don't care about you know. My worry is that the color he flew and then the punches on the near 24 and today the same thing is gonna happen. Hence I'm wearing the same hoodie I wore yesterday because at least by tape you can wear something that is white, plain white, or plain black underneath. Yeah, and I thought because since it's also raining and cold, wearing a hoodie would be understandable. I just wish that like t-shirt, but it's not because we're gonna wear a t-shirt on top. I just wish that it fits properly, you know, delivery. Yeah, but otherwise, it's that it's raining. It's and then delayed. The time now is 8 open, and I'm still here. But they said we should be there at 1:30, so 10 minutes means. And that was with work. I'll try vlogging while working if I can. In the end. I can't even talk for long because the phone is about months for me. And then I'm going to turn your phone. Ocho. Then you can be there on the Azio. Yo, I'm Bambi Ora. Yeah, we are here chilling. Vlogging. Yeah, well. And then this was paper again. I'm telling you, this is going straight in the meal. Yeah. Yo. Damn. But yeah, this is back chat. Yeah, man, we're here. 20 months to talk on my shit about Sebenza fun. Snapchat. Do you know that I'm an here with? Okay, but yeah, I'm here with. What does Wasssssuuuuuppppp do? Okay, what is Wasssssuuuuuppppp known for?
Wasssssuuuuuppppp is just a girl.
No, Wasssssuuuuuppppp is a content creator slash influencer
slash entrepreneur slash event planner.
Yes. Yeah, all those things. Otherwise, you guys go check her out.
Subscribe to your channel. I'm also a YouTuber, occasionally though.
Yeah, I can't talk about consistency at all, but go check it out. Mojo.
Oh, elaste kanje.
Snapchat. Today is what's today? Today is Thursday. It's around 1 p.m. We are going to the mall to go buy stuff, groceries, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna buy a new sneaker video. I need a sneaker, bro. I need a sneaker since I'm born. It's okay because then the ball and so true. And but Mocho. I'll see you when we get there.
So mase block phumane nawe akhonza phela isidibanise mina nawe uwelithanda benibona ifuture bekungasa sihambe siblood kwakuyenport anifuna uxoxa inhliziyo yami uhiyap ndakuyenpost becela ukubona siphinde sithipane kulakona qoqa ndifone afuna uchola danobalendo lefos uwelithanda benibona ingomso bengayazi uzophela ngengomso sinobe strain kuthi ngezolo ngokintoni ngithinje ingqondo I was a play, learn on the yek, yegela wen, walk and share. I was a play, learn on the yek, yegela wen, walk and share. Hey,
Solomon bonus and goals, and the ways they bend and goals. So the stories and company go, shake up.
Yeah, when the shop at the last number.
Belly full of Ben Namagan Pop.
Did you want to try and show them?
Kandicinga uzongishiya kanjani besafuna nobona umama babulele wethu notatako konzalele ngelose njengawo
When you know you're like you're conscious now, I got drove in the hammer and the cow. The home nan is on the lutan. Go watch a katanga no more.
ungalela kathanga ngangam ufumene abangcono kunami
When you're cholo tipping no ina, and doesn't in the party right now.
Chat. We're at Mr. Price home right now, but we're about to leave Watina. Luzuku unomzika nene this year, so sithenge into zakwaLuzuku. Yeah. Your apartment, what? Since big purchases, big boy purchases. But yeah, nonke le nto ndiphethe apha bengayiplenanga. But as long as ikhona imali eshekileyo for igrocery nombani, because
Uwelutando ben baningomso ben ngayazi uzophela ngengomso sindo besbrain ikuthi ngezolo ngokintoni ichinje ingqondo I was a play London again yekela wena lokho yenshe I was a play London again yekela wena lokho yenshe
I hope you guys are good. Today is the last day of the vlog, I think. This is another week, and it's not supposed to go like that. It's supposed to be a week, not a week and another week in the same vlog. So, but the thing is, that one is short, and Payana, I was just gonna be like, gone. You see the clip you just saw right now? That would have been the last clip. Yeah, bro. So, yeah, I was gonna show you my, like, unbox the things I got, but yeah, but this is one of the hoodies. I'm wearing my Sharks sneakers, but I'm probably, before you see this, I'm probably gonna post them on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, go check them out. Okanye, you've probably seen them, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can click this link right here in the corner, and then you're gonna see all my Instagram posts and everything. And please follow me. Anyway, yeah, man, otherwise we'll talk. Today I think I'm gonna go to Shimla Park. There's a game playing Varsity Cup, so I think we're gonna go there with my friends. Right now I'm waiting for my clicks parcel. I don't know if I told you guys that bendi order toiletries got clicks and other things I've been shooting as that I knew bana and is ordanga payana. I'm probably not gonna buy them mali. Yeah, and I didn't want to go to clicks because I knew bana so some kupi malengakaya etilin for indoors or tambis aka and yay yeah, so yeah, yafika namhlanje. I've been waiting for it. Yafika namhlanje. So by the way, but right now I'm going home. Ndithatha umtshini yabo ndikrasti kanjani. I need to trim my beard and also cut my hair. But anyway, we'll talk, otherwise mocho. Yela, my package. Alrighty. And I was about to leave actually. Thank God did but I was about to leave, but then because I delayed, then yafika. So now I can just go home freely, come back, cut my hair, and then go to my class more too. And then from there, I'm going to Shimla Park. Probably take pictures also, because I was worried that I won't have time to take pictures, because I'm worried that these people I'm gonna call while I'm out there trying to take pictures. So now I can just chill and go and take pictures on campus. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna unbox the way with you guys, just in J. I don't know, but because I have to unbox these things and see these people got the right things, and just to make up for not, unboxing with you guys the clothes I bought, which is this hoodie and the sneaker I'm wearing right now. But yeah, let's unbox. Thanks. So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit here and then call Lendoza, because I think Lendoza I don't know. Let me actually check. Yeah, I think grand, Joe. And especially because I'll be showing you guys like items like this. So I think it's fine. You guys don't really have to see bana or whatever. Okay, my bad. Because space. Fit, I want to lay space. I need to buy a new phone. I need to buy candy ass and fit. Anyway, okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's see. no wonder izwezidura kangaka. Yazi mina I'm thinking ndithenge izwezincinci kanti anyway so thengaseyivuliwe ngibana bezizama uzitoxa food yam. Anyway, have food from Black Chick. Anyway, and this has been since it's a way fit. You guys are probably gonna see a lot of things that you wouldn't expect me to have, but anyway, this is a scrub thingy. Yeah, it's a scrub thingy. Yeah, you know I'm Nandi, so yeah, adapter. This is for lights, is my LEDs, and also chini, and also like in fact your extender man joy ways I'm thinking then adaptive one. Then toothbrush, the toothbrush. Boom. There I go. This is a fluff shaver because most of you batlazam zine fluff, you know. So and then lama P3. I hope these things are focusing and you guys can see them. I really hope so. And then lama P3 for this thing. Yeah. Yep. And then facial razors. This is for when I'm trimming my beard, and yeah, so I have to, you know, be precise. I'm gonna use those ones today actually. And then last number Vaseline. Kalonda indoda mfela no bendithambise iclean bendithambise Nivea man. That my thumbs in Vaseline. And then these are air fresheners. Yes, air fresheners for my bathroom. Damn, yo, it's a plastic as well. Anyway, and then Club de Nude Intense. What? This is a cologne I got. Yonando yenze yonke le way idure. Yo, but I think it was worth it. Hopefully it was worth it. Yes, it's a boy, but sense of fast. Anyway, this is my first ever cologne. I do not like colognes. Why? Colognes make me sick. Like in the end of the day, nauseous. But that's the thing. Yes, it makes me nauseous all the time. So, but especially if it's strong. Yeah, leben can I smell? The other day, it's strong, yeah, so I don't think I so hope it lasts because I'm just with yeah, because it's really yes, yeah, so yeah. But if you guys know any like fresh cologne, what, please plug me Majida so that yeah, won't have been and all that. And then Nivea roll-ons. Black and white, yeah, in the end, what else? And then the plastic that has all the other things. And this is Set Skin. And then Set Skin again. Yeah, this is so good for my skin, bro. If you're gonna come in the glow or anything, just know about this way. And Goku, I have a lot of pimples because I've been using Isepo since the Ogon this is Lalin. Then the Buyele bloom, and then I started using this thing. Then Anfik and Buyela I've been in a mile. So I had to buy Isepo again. So now back to my things. And then Nivea Coco. Can I maintain with the times in Nivea? Yo, I don't know. But I say Nivea. As well as your Dora, Joe for his sizes, but I say Nivea. And then the gloves, namely towels. This is for my face, this is for the lower body. And then yeah, bro. And then yeah, that's it. Otherwise, Joe. Joe. Much. with me.
Ngiyakwazi manje.
Go out now, my nestes. Come to me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Say chat. We are here. Tato. I'm at Nixabin Garden and this unborn. Nixabin Garden is unborn. Bah, I as zinke. And that's the that guy is like 55 years old, guys. Otherwise, away. Yeah, sir. Luzuko. How do my YouTube channel? Bye.